There we go. What's up, guys? We got an awesome video today on coordination and balance. Hope you find it helpful. We got the airplane coming your way. Check it out. So get you a partner. Obviously be extremely careful when you do this, but you're going to try to balance from the midsection using a lot of core. Let's see if Coach Emily Zaber can do it. Or if I can do it. I mean, I'm 50% of the equation too. All right.
Hey?
Yep. It's all right. It's all right. Reset. Try again.
You got it.
Nice. Ooh, nice job.
Can you push it higher with your arms?
Wow, very nice. Very nice. Good balance there from Coach Emily. Nice job. All right. Give her a round of applause. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend.